This is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and today we would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this very unusual device. So the first feature is the fact that you can very effectively multitask on this double foldable screen. So in order for you to enter the split screen mode for apps, you need to launch the apps that you would like to use in it. For example, I'll go with Google Play Store, for example, and if you would like to add the second app and divide the screen into halves between two desired apps, simply pick the app from this list at the navigation panel, or you can also open the list of all the apps that are currently installed on your device. So I'll go with Opera, hold its icon, and drop it right here. And as you can see, my screen gets divided and gets split between two apps, which I can use simultaneously. If you would like to quit the split screen mode, simply carry this line to the right side or to the left side, depending on which app you want to close and which app you want to continue using. Alrighty, moving on to the second tip, which we'll need to open the settings for, then go for the advanced features, labs, and in here it is basically a very small and simple toggle that is called full screen and split screen view. So once over here, as you can see, once enabled, when you enter the split screen mode, which I've showed in the first step, it will hide the status and navigation bar, so you can see more of each app. So therefore, this top part and this bottom part will disappear once at the split screen mode. Alrighty, so moving on to the third tip, which is another toggle at the left section that is called swipe for split screen. And how it works, basically just swipe with your two fingers from either side basically. Next, choose what app you would like to launch as the second app for the split screen feature. I'll go with, I don't know, camera, let's say. And just like so, you can also enter the split screen mode by simply swiping. And as I've mentioned, it works from both sides, so I can also move this app to the right and open the second app at the left half of my screen. Alrighty, the fourth tip is located at the display category of settings, so let's enter it, and it is called the screen smoothness, or more particularly motion smoothness if I'm not mistaken, so let me find it real quick. Alrighty, yep, here it is. It is more to the top of the page. Yep, that is precisely called motion smoothness, and here you can switch between 60 and 120 Hz as per the screen refresh rate, which basically means the higher you go, the higher value you go for. So if you go for the adaptive mode of smoothness or screen refresh rate, you'll get smoother and better looking, silkier animations, but at the same time the power consumption will be significantly increased. Therefore, choose what is more important for you at the moment, the animation and motion smoothness or the left battery health. And fifth, as well as final tip for this video, is also located at the display category of settings, and it's a very cool and useful section that is called Continue Apps on Cover Screen. So once at the dedicated page, you'll be able to choose either for which apps you would like this option to work, or enable it for every app, as I've just did. And now, each time you'll fold your smartphone, you'll fold your device, any app that you were working on or working inside will continue onto the cover screen. So let's test it out. Let's see if the settings app will continue to the cover screen. It indeed continued, just like so. So it works just fine. Let me just turn this toggle on once again and quit the dedicated option page in order for the changes that we have just made to take effect. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. I hope you found this well, review, this small video helpful. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.